Good morning, friends. This is very beautiful. Good morning. Look at this view. How beautiful is that? Hope you are enjoying these birds and these coconut trees and those flowers. It looks beautiful. Hope you are enjoying. This is beautiful morning for all friends. I'm sharing with you, and this is Pakistan. Look at this mountain upside weathers and trees, coconut trees, and these birds are enjoying their life. We have need to spend our life like that. These birds, without tension, don't think more, enjoy a lot. That's called beautiful life. That's why I suggest you live your life. Don't die before your death. Look at this. How beautiful weather is over there. Hope you love it. This is our garden. Hope you love it. And these plants we had, and all these requirements. Nowadays, look at this. How beautiful is this? Wow. And nowadays, with this beautiful morning, I'm sharing with you. Hope you love it. This weather and this location. Hope you love it. Look at this. Do you know about this flower? Hope you know that. If you know that, you must be comment. What is the name of this flower? What you call in your native language? You must be inform me about this flower. Looks beautiful. Look at this. How beautiful is that? This world is beautiful like this. Flowers, you have need to explore it. So, hope you are. Look at this. Little things. Everything is beautiful and nothing more beautiful more than nature. Nature have everything you find out. Just you have need to explore and find out what is good for our beautiful day. A positive thought. Someone says that a positive thought make you better and beautiful all the day. That's depend on your startup, how you are starting. Look at this beautiful weather over there, and behind the road there is a mountain. Look at this. These birds, these plants, these trees is telling us it's beautiful life, and we have need to be live. Do you know about this tree? What is the name of this tree? What is this? Look at this. Hope you love it. And what? I show you some more plants over here. So Look at this. This is good for your skin. And these flowers also. Look at this. Wow. Bee. Honeybee. World most hardworking animal is honeybee, and it is very powerful sign of